So today I'm going to show you how to assemble this really quick and easy kit. This is for a gift card holder and for Christmas, and it hangs on the Christmas tree or on your mantle, and then your gift card goes in this little pocket here. These are available in my Etsy shop and also at blueringdesignprints.com. And the kit is a digital printable, so you can print it out and make as many as you want. And it comes with all three styles. So let's get started assembling this kit. So this comes in sheets, 8.5 by 11 sheets, and you print it out and cut everything out and then ink it. I use Tim Holtz Distress ink, and you just get the applicator and just ink it up on the sides so it looks vintage and weathered like that. So I've already cut everything out here and inked it all. So this is the back of your tag, I guess it's the tag. And then this is just a little pocket right here. You just glue it on 3 sides. I like this art glitter glue. I don't know why it's called glitter because it's not glittery, but it dries clear, it dries really fast, and it's not as thick as some of the other glues. So it's really easy to apply. And it does come with this little tip if you want to use this tip to get really thin glue lines. Let's see, came out too fast. So you just glue this pocket on 3 sides right at the edge because you're going to want your stuff to fit in here. Okay, pocket done. And then there's this little envelope here. And you can score this. I like to score stuff. I printed all of this on cardstock and I was out of my heavy cardstock. I would recommend using something heavy like 110-pound cardstock. And when you use cardstock, it's much easier to fold these things when you score it. So I'm just going to use my scoring board. And I don't know if you can see in this video, but there's a very thin line right here to show you where to score it and fold it. And then you also score it right here on the edge and then along here. So then you just fold this up. Fold these in. And you can do this. There are 2 patterns in this kit, and you can decide if you want, first of all, what you want to print, which pattern you want to use to print this on the back of, and then you can decide if you want your card to look, or your envelope to look like this, with this on the outside, or if you want it to look like this, so that it looks like that, and then when you open it up, you've got that, and that's how I'm going to do this. So you just glue your little tabs. like that. And then this gets glued right here at the bottom. And when you glue it, this is going to be a pocket. So just glue it on 3 sides. So I put a grommet in here, and if you don't have a grommet setter, you can just use a hole punch. And then I put a grommet in this one and this one, and then I just tied them together with a ribbon. And then I used a tiny little hole punch and put a hole in this, and I put a hole in this top of this envelope so that I can attach this. I'm gonna put this right here. And then I'm going to put this right here. So you've got your, I have this little journal card, which I'll put right here. I have this, you can write a message on this. Your bookmark. And then I'm going to you could use a thin little ribbon for this, or I'm just using embroidery thread. To hang it. And there it is. Super easy, super quick. And there are 3 styles that you get in the kit. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more junk journal content. Thanks everybody. Bye-bye.